Valutrades.
Welcome to the Valutrades Basic Trading course. This is a series of videos designed to launch the journey of beginning traders in every aspect of trading with Valutrades. In this video, let's take a look at the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo Cloud.
Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is an indicator that gauges future price momentum and determines future areas of support and resistance. The Ichimoku Cloud may be launched onto any chart and any time frame from your MT4 or MT5 Navigator. The default view may be difficult to see, but you have the option of making these lines thicker under colors. The Ichimoku Cloud was created for trending markets. So, let's examine what we are seeing on this chart. The Kijun Sen, or blue line, is also called the baseline and is calculated by averaging the highest high and the lowest low for the past 26 periods. The Kijun Sen, or red line, is also known as the turning line and is calculated by averaging the highest high and lowest low for the past 9 periods. The Chikou span, or green line, is called the lagging line and it is the current closing price plotted 26 periods behind. These are the Senkou span, or orange lines. The first Senkou line is calculated by averaging the Kijun Sen and the Kijun Sen and plotted 26 periods ahead. The second Senkou line is determined by averaging the highest high and lowest low for the past 52 periods and plotting 26 periods ahead. Basically, if price stays on one side of the cloud, we consider this a trending market and we look for positions only in that direction. The thicker the cloud, the stronger the trend. If price enters the cloud, we may consider this to be a consolidation or a sideways market. Also, if we see the Chikou span, or green line, intersecting the candles, we may also consider this to be a consolidation or a sideways market. If we see the Kijun Sen, or blue line, crossing the Kijun Sen, or red line, we can treat these as our strategy of moving average crosses and look for a continuation of the trend or a new trend. The theory of Ichimoku Cloud is that these crossovers are only valid if the cloud itself is indicating a trend. Therefore, only buy when the cloud is below price action and only sell when the cloud is above price action. As well, we want to see the Chikou span, or green line, on the opposite side of price action from the cloud before entering a position. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products and your capital may be at risk.